I used to spend way too much time scrubbing my grill, so I wanted to try something easier. This is an electric grill brush, and it basically does all the hard work for you. It's cordless and rechargeable, so you're not dealing with wires while you're outside. When I first used it, I noticed that the rotating brush head really helps break down the grease and stuck on food without as much effort. I like that it has different speed settings so you can adjust depending on how dirty the grill is. The adjustable angle actually helps you reach different spots without struggling. I was wondering if it would feel too heavy, but it's pretty manageable and comfortable to hold. It definitely cuts down the time that it takes to clean, and for that, it's worth the purchase. This particular cleaner comes with a heavy-duty stainless steel brush, which tackles a lot of stubborn grease. It also comes with a polishing brush for light cleaning and wiping away residue. I enjoy working with this brush. It really made a big difference. I received this brush for honest feedback, and I definitely recommend it.